Hi, I want to welcome you to my channel Healthy Tips. Choosing suitable exercise for you. The character of exercise one does all depends on you and what you love to do. What you hate doing, investing monthly fees on gym, and whether to purchase exercise equipments are all things you need to consider along with your requirements. Should you decide to choose something which you don't love to do, you aren't going to maintain doing it for a long time period. Give it some thought. Should you think that you don't like jogging, you aren't going to wake up at 6 a.m. and go running around. Should you think that you can't discover anything you love to do, choose anything you hate the minimum, that will commonly be walking. Walking is a great exercise, as it meets all levels of fitness. Anybody can begin a hiking system at any time, it's usually the strength and length that varies. Walking is additionally a personal exercise, as it isn't difficult to locate a training partner to chat with while you doing the exercise. Walking with a partner also will render the time to pass by much more quicker. Regardless of what exercise you choose, you really need to begin at a minimal level of strength and develop it more than a period of days, and is important to the endurance of the exercise plan. Should you decide begin too hard, you can end up getting an injury that will need time off to overcome. If you think you are actually in bad shape, you really need to begin by walking for 10 minutes each day. Then, increase it by 5 moments every 2 days. To help make things more interesting, you really need to try walking a different course every few days. You can easily also roster a different buddy to stroll to you each day of the week. If walking isn't your thing, then chances are you might desire to try a fitness center. They have a lot of assortment and commonly have coaches available to you to answer any concerns you have. As soon as you choose a fitness center, make sure they give good provider. If they aren't prepared to deal with you well if you're wanting to join, then they certainly won't once you join. You really need to also make sure the gear they utilize is well taken care of. It's very easy to discover the truth, as all you need to do is hear to the gadgets. If they squeak a lot or render sound, then odds are they aren't being taken care of. Should you decide nevertheless aren't positive what you really need to do, then chances are you must look into golf or tennis. Both are good personal activities in many areas, and you may actually meet new pals. Tennis is perfect for fitness, although it isn't for somebody that is purely beginning. Should you decide haven't exercised within a few years, then golf is the best activity for you. I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this one.